Welcome to training for the external corrosion module within CIM. This video will show how to set up a close interval survey or CIS in assessment planning. Planning and analyzing a CIS is very similar to the process for planning and analyzing an inline inspection. In fact, the workflow is completed using the same web pages. To plan a CIS, navigate to Assessment Planning and then click New at the top right of the assessments grid. Those fields highlighted with a red asterisk are required. From top to bottom, select the system and then the segment. If there's only one segment associated with that system, the one available segment will automatically populate. Otherwise, you'll have options to choose from in the dropdown. Then enter the name of the CIS assessment you are currently setting up. I'm going to set up an assessment that was completed in 2024. For method, select External Corrosion Survey. Then select the type of assessment as well as the due date or date that the CIS needs to be completed by. Notice that if you have a GIS integrated with CIM, pipeline data will auto-populate in the pipeline data grid. If you want to enter the begin and end engineering station numbers, the time to do that is at this stage. To do that, click the edit icon to the far right of begin engineer station, which will open a new screen. Enter the station number for the start of the close interval survey without the plus signs, and then click out of the box. The routes associated with that station number will now appear. Once you select the correct route ID, you can enter a station number for the end of the CIS. Again, select the route if there are multiple. Then click Save to save the station numbers. Then press Save at the bottom right of the screen to save the assessment. Now let's navigate to the Planning tab, where we'll fill out some key information for the CIS, like the start date of the close interval survey and the end date. You can also select the vendor or contractor that completed the CIS on this page, although it's not required. This vendor list is generated from the vendor table within Admin Data Management. CIM admins can add or delete the vendors from this list. Make sure to select the survey method as Close Interval Potential Survey. Then press Save at the bottom right. Next, navigate to the Vendor Data tab. Here you can download the CIS report template and provide that to your contractor if you haven't already. This template must be used when uploading CIS data to CIM and has been reviewed by several pipeline operators and their contractors who conduct close interval surveys to ensure all the pertinent information is being captured. That concludes training on how to set up a CIS and assessment planning. The next video will show how to upload a CIS report. If you don't have a CIS report to upload, you can simply navigate back to assessment planning or close CIM. If you have any questions, please consult the External Corrosion Module User Guide.